Hi everybody. Today I'm going to cook vegetable stir fry. Let's get ready. Start with cooking oil, garlic, ginger and shallot in a frying pan. Follow up with onion. Follow up with vegetable. So I have broccoli, zucchini, red pepper, yellow pepper. After, add some water, soy sauce and sugar. Mix in together. Wait until them cook. Now all vegetables cooked and done, ready to serve. Now my vegetable stir fry is done, ready to eat. Let me try. It's really good. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.